Dear children, welcome back to our class. Children, this is part B of the video of adjectives. We have already discussed about the adjectives in the previous video, and we know that adjectives are the describing words that describes a noun or a pronoun. Now, in this video, we will learn about the degrees of comparison of adjectives. So, before discussing the degrees of comparison, first let us understand the meaning of comparison. Children, comparison means to find out whether a particular thing is same or different in its size, quality, number, color, shape, taste, etc. Let us read these sentences together to understand comparison more clearly. The lion is a strong animal. Rachel is the kindest of all. The apple is sweeter than the pear. It is a tall building. So children, here strong, kindest, sweeter and tall are adjectives. But these adjectives belong to different degrees of comparison of adjectives. There are 3 degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Let us start with positive degree of comparison. Dear children, positive degree is used when we simply describe any noun, that is a person or a thing or a place. For example, LeBron James is tall. This flower is beautiful. The house is big. That girl is smart. So children, here these sentences are simply describing a person or a thing or a place. So these sentences use positive degree of comparison. Now next is the comparative degree. Comparative degree is used when we compare two persons or two things or two places with each other. For example, Yao Ming is taller than LeBron James. This house is bigger than that one. She is nicer than him. Now children, remember that then is a very important word and it always comes after the comparative degree of adjectives. If you will notice here in these examples, taller, bigger and nicer are comparative degrees, followed by then, taller than, bigger than, nicer than. Next important thing is we add er to the adjectives. For example, the dog is bigger than a snail. Here, big will become bigger. The boy is older than the girl. Here, old will become older. Now children, another important thing in terms of comparative degree is that for bigger words we use more before adjectives. Like, if you will notice over here, smoothly will become more smoothly. Easily will become more easily. Calmly will become more calmly. Gracefully will become more gracefully. Gently will become more gently. Now, children, the third degree of comparison of adjectives is superlative degree. Superlative degree is used to compare a person or a thing or a place with the whole group. It is the highest degree of the quality. Let us read these examples together. Peter is the smartest boy in the class. Alice is the sweetest girl in the neighborhood. The blue whale is the largest of all animals. We use superlative adjectives to show that they are the extreme version of an adjective. You can't get more super than how they are now. Now, children, there are some rules that we need to follow when we use superlative degree. So, first important point is the is always used before the adjectives. Next thing is we add est to the adjectives. Let us see these examples. Soft will become softer in comparative degree and the softest in superlative degree. Similarly, big will become bigger and the biggest. Nice will become nicer and in superlative degree it will become the nicest. Short will become shorter and in superlative degree it will become the shortest and so on. For bigger words, we use most before the adjectives. Just see in these examples. Here, painful, more painful, and in superlative degree it will become most painful. Similarly, hopeful, more hopeful, most hopeful. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Flexible, more flexible, most flexible. We use most for the adjectives ending in full or with E. Now, children, there are some other adjectives also in which the word changes completely. They don't follow the rules of positive, comparative, and superlative degrees. Like, if you will notice here, good will become better in comparative degree and best in superlative degree. Bad will become worse in comparative degree and worst in superlative degree. Similarly, many or much will become more and most. Little or few will become little, less or least. So, children, what have you learned today? Let us have a quick recap. So, children, there are three kinds of comparisons of adjectives. That is positive, comparative, and superlative. Positive degree does not compare two things. It simply talks about one particular thing. and there is no comparison. Like if you will notice here, the first apple is large. Then comparative degree compares two things. The second apple is larger than the first. So here you will notice that the two apples are compared. Then finally the third apple is the largest of the three. This is superlative degree, where the third apple is the largest among all the three apples. So children, I hope you enjoyed learning adjectives and the degrees of comparison of adjectives. So I wish that you all have a nice day. Thank you. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe. Stay healthy. See you in the next class.